Hello. Another technology that I found that was free online that could work on any device is adaptedmind.com. And what I like about this, and when I go to think about resources that I can use or for my students to use in a classroom, of course, I always like them to be free because I like to be able to share them out to my parents so they can help their students at home on skills that we're working on in the classroom. So, what I like about Adapted Mind is that it has reading and math, and it can go to first grade all the way up to sixth grade. Um, so different grade levels are able to use it, but I'm also then able to differentiate my students in the classroom during centers. So they're working on skills that are specific to them. I'm just going to go in and show you. We'll just go here to first grade reading. So there's different levels here, and of course there's second, and it goes all the way down to sixth grade. But you can click on one, and what the kids like is all their little badges that they can earn. They can choose what character they want to be. And then I also like, because at my age, sometimes the vocabulary for them just to read the directions is difficult. So
choose a friend to come with you on this reading adventure.
I like that there is always that voice recorder to help students to follow the directions so they can work independently on this. And then you just go through, and it goes through the vocabulary or words they might say. Of course, this is lower level that I picked, so the words are pretty simple. And then you go through all the words. So they see all the words and they listen to them before they go on to their story. So they can read that. If there's any words they don't know, they're able to click on the word. And then there's what I like is then there's some comprehension questions at the end. So when they get all of those things chosen, then they can earn additional badges and continue to move on. There's also vocabulary and spelling. You can assign spelling words up here besides just fun games. I was going to go back, and then I'm going to just also show you the math portion to it. I tend to show reading because my emphasis in my master's is reading. So, but here there's also all those, it goes up to eighth grade here, but they got the cute little avatars that my little ones like. And then there's all kinds of lessons that you can click on for the students to do. So, that makes it fun. My kids have really enjoyed. This is something new, but I've introduced it this past week, and they really like it. So my target audience is, of course, my kids, and I feel like this is something they can learn to do independently as well as working on at home. And my SD standards that this would fall under is under the leader 2L 2B. And then 3C, 3A is what I have. So anyway, y'all have to let me know what you think of Adapted Mind. Anyway, thank you.